Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Talk More English podcast today.
Hi, friends. I am Jake, and this is my friend Sarah here.
Thank you so much for joining us again for another episode.
Today, we have a really fun and exciting topic for you.
Yes, today we learn how to talk about movies and TV shows.
Everyone loves watching movies and TV shows in their free time.
And talking about them is a great way to practice your English.
You can use these phrases with friends, classmates, and colleagues, too.
We will practice together with simple words and easy sentences today.
Are you ready to talk about your favorite films? Let us begin.
The first question people ask is, what do you like to watch?
You can answer, I like watching action movies. They are exciting and fast.
Or, I prefer comedies. They make me laugh and feel happy inside.
Or, I love watching drama series on TV every evening after work.
There are many types of movies and shows. Let us learn the names.
Action movies have a lot of fighting, chasing, and exciting adventure scenes.
Comedies are funny movies or shows that make you smile and laugh.
Drama is about serious stories with strong emotions and deep characters.
Horror movies are scary. They are made to frighten you at night.
Romantic movies are about love stories between two people who meet.
Documentaries show real stories about nature, history, science, or people's lives.
Animated movies use drawings or computer graphics instead of real actors on screen.
Let us practice. Please repeat after me now, out loud at home.
I like watching action movies. They are exciting and fast.
I prefer comedies because they make me laugh and feel happy.
I love watching documentaries about nature and animals around the world.
Great job! Now you can tell people what kind of movies you enjoy.
Now, let us learn how to recommend a movie or show to someone.
Recommend means you tell someone they should watch something good.
You can say, you should watch this movie. It is really amazing and fun to watch.
Or, have you seen this new show? I think you would love it.
Or, I highly recommend this film. It is one of the best I have seen.
Or, you have to watch this series. I could not stop watching it all week.
Could not stop watching means it was so good you watched many episodes at once.
Some people call that binge watching, watching many episodes in one sitting together.
Let us practice recommending. Please repeat after me now, out loud.
You should watch this movie. It is really amazing and fun to watch.
Have you seen this new show? I think you would really love it.
I could not stop watching it. I finished the whole series in 2 days.
Excellent. Now you can recommend movies and shows to all your friends.
Let us now learn how to describe a movie or a show in English.
You can talk about the story. What is the movie about exactly?
You can say, it is about a young woman who travels around the world.
Or, it is about a family who moves to a new city and starts over.
Or, it is about a detective who is trying to solve a big mystery.
A mystery is something you don't understand and need to figure out.
A detective is a person whose job is to find answers and solve crimes.
You can also describe how the movie felt inside.
Like, it was very exciting. I was on the edge of my seat all night.
Or, it was very emotional. I almost cried at the end of the film.
Or, it was hilarious. I laughed so much my stomach was hurting after.
Hilarious means extremely funny, even more funny than just regular funny.
Let us practice describing. Please repeat after me now, out loud.
It is about a young woman who travels the whole world alone.
It was very exciting. I was on the edge of my seat all night.
It was hilarious. I laughed so much my stomach was hurting a lot.
Wonderful. Now you can describe any movie or show beautifully in English.
Now, let us learn how to give your opinion about a movie or show.
Your opinion is what you think about something, good, bad, or okay.
If you liked it, you can say, I really enjoyed it a lot.
Or, it was one of the best movies I have ever seen in my life.
Or, the acting was amazing. The main actor did a fantastic performance.
Acting means how well the actors play their characters in the movie.
If you did not like it, you can say, it was a little boring, honestly.
Or, the story was too slow for me. Nothing exciting really happened at all.
Or, I did not like the ending. It was disappointing and confusing to me.
Disappointing means it did not meet your expectations. You expected something better.
You can also say, it was okay, not great, but not bad, just average.
Let us practice giving opinions. Please repeat after me now out loud.
I really enjoyed it a lot. The story was interesting from start to finish.
The acting was amazing. The main actor did a truly fantastic job.
It was a little boring. The story was too slow for my taste.
Now you can share your honest opinion about any movie or show confidently.
Let us learn some useful questions to ask about movies and TV shows.
You can ask, what is your favorite movie of all time? Tell me.
Or, have you watched anything good recently? I need a recommendation.
Or, what genre do you usually watch? Action, comedy, or drama movies?
Genre means the type or category of movie, like horror or romantic films.
Or, who is your favorite actor or actress? I'm curious about that.
Or, is that movie worth watching? Should I spend my time on it?
Worth watching means it deserves your time and attention to watch it fully.
Let us practice asking questions. Please repeat after me now, out loud.
What is your favorite movie of all time? I want to know.
Have you watched anything good recently? I need a new recommendation.
Is that movie worth watching? Should I spend my time on it tonight?
Great! These questions will start amazing conversations about movies every time.
Let us hear a full sample conversation now. Please listen very carefully.
We are two friends at a cafe talking about movies and TV shows.
Hey, Jake, have you watched anything good recently on TV or online?
Yes, I just finished an amazing series last night. It was so good.
Oh, really? What is it called? Tell me all about it right now.
It is called The Last Mountain. It's a drama about a climbing team.
That sounds interesting. What is the story about exactly? Tell me more.
It's about a group of friends who try to climb the highest mountain.
Oh, wow. Is it exciting? I love adventure stories with lots of action.
Very exciting and also very emotional. I almost cried in the last episode.
I love shows like that. How many episodes are there in the whole series?
There are 8 episodes. Each one is about 45 minutes long, I think.
That is perfect for a weekend. I can watch it all in 2 days.
You definitely should. I highly recommend it. You will not be disappointed at all.
Okay, I will start watching it tonight. What genre would you call it exactly?
I would say it's a mix of drama and adventure. Really well made, too.
Sounds perfect for me. What about you? What is your favorite movie ever?
My favorite movie is a comedy called The Happy Traveler. It's so hilarious.
I haven't seen that one yet. I will add it to my list tonight.
You should. It will make you laugh from the first minute to the last.
That was a great conversation, everyone. Natural and fun from start to finish.
Now pause the video and practice talking about your favorite movie out loud.
Let us also talk about where and how you watch movies and shows.
You can say, I usually watch movies on my laptop at home every evening.
Or, I watch series on my phone when I'm on the bus to work.
Or, I love going to the cinema. The big screen experience is amazing.
The cinema is the building where you watch movies on a very big screen.
Or, I use a streaming app to watch shows and movies every night.
Streaming means watching videos online without downloading them to your device first.
You can also say, I sometimes watch movies with my family on weekends.
Or, I prefer watching alone so I can pause whenever I want to.
Let us practice. Please repeat after me now, out loud.
I usually watch movies on my laptop at home every single evening.
I love going to the cinema. The big screen experience is amazing.
I use a streaming app to watch shows and movies every night at home.
Now you can talk about your watching habits in English very easily.
Let us do a quick vocabulary review of all the important words together.
Genre, the type or category of a movie, like action, comedy, or horror.
Recommend, to tell someone they should watch something because it is really good.
Acting, how well the actors perform and play their characters in a film.
Plot, the main story of the movie, what happens from beginning to end.
Ending, the final part of the movie or show, how the story finishes.
Binge watch, to watch many episodes of a series in one sitting without stopping.
Hilarious, extremely funny. It makes you laugh very hard and out loud.
Disappointing, when something is not as good as you hoped or expected it to be.
Streaming, watching videos online on your phone, laptop, or television at home.
Cinema, the building where you go to watch new movies on a big screen.
These words will help you talk about movies confidently in English every time.
Now here is your practice challenge for today. Are you ready for this?
Think about a movie or TV show you watched and loved very recently.
First, say what genre it is. Say, it is a comedy, drama, or action.
Then describe the story in 2 or 3 simple and clear short sentences.
Then give your opinion. Say, I really enjoyed it because it was very exciting.
Then recommend it. Say, you should watch it. It is really worth your time.
Can you do all of that? Try it right now out loud at home.
Pause the video and practice. Every single time you speak, you improve more.
Okay, everyone, it is time for our final review of today's full episode.
Today, we learned how to talk about movies and TV shows in English.
We learned the names of different movie genres like action and comedy.
We learned how to recommend a movie or a show to our friends.
We learned how to describe the story and how a movie made us feel.
We learned how to give our opinion, positive, negative, or just okay.
We learned great questions to ask people about their favorite movies and shows.
We practiced a full, natural conversation between 2 friends at a cafe.
And we learned useful vocabulary like genre, binge watch, and streaming, too.
You did an absolutely amazing job today. We are truly so proud of you.
Please like this video and subscribe to the Talk More English channel today.
Leave a comment and tell us your favorite movie or TV show right now.
We love reading your comments. They really make our day very special, always.
Thank you for watching and learning with us today. You are truly amazing.
Keep practicing. Keep watching movies in English. It really helps a lot.
See you in the next episode of Talk More English. Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye. We believe in you. Keep going and keep talking in English always.
Where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started.